Now at this stage, what we doing? At this stage of the project?
Just put a new roof on, and we just got our inspections. I mean our permits.
Okay.
So now we're gonna close everything up.
Permits for what?
For the city gotta get you gotta get permits for the electricity.
Okay.
Plumbing.
Okay.
AC. All that is new. All that is down here. We got there.
Okay.
But that's what we got permits for. Now we just gonna close it up.
Okay.
Put the wall on it, put the cabinets in, make it look like a house. All this new wiring. This is the old one, we're gonna take that out. All this is new. It can't come for wires in houses without the city approval, you know?
And then that's when you get your permit when they come out and inspect.
Yeah. These are old, these are no good.
Okay.
Well,
I'm like, you just holding on it like
now it still got power, but this is a new plug. So let me show you, let me go to the garage.
All right.
See, this is the old power one. New ones, the new breakers. This is old. We're gonna take all of that, all the old wires you've seen in the house.
Yeah.
Goes to this.
Gotcha.
And all the new wires go to this. All up to date and up to code.